There are so many ways of ending a song, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can end a song, especially in the case where somebody is about to finish the song but they want to extend the very last note. Okay, so in this case we're using Great is Thy Faithfulness. Great is Thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, yeah, I didn't take in much breath. Okay, so yeah, so this is what we are going to do today. We are going to learn about 2 or 3 of these ways to end the song. Okay, these are very, very simple. And if you're new here, we use key of F for most of the chords that we learn here, so that you'll be able to transcribe it to other keys and then play them. So for the purposes of transcription into other keys, I try to use the tonic solfege as well as the keys that I mentioned in these chords. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to the channel. Let's get right in. So let me play it again. Okay, so the main idea is the D flat, E flat, and then F. We just play their chords. Okay, the inversions, we play their chords. Okay, so let's start. So the left side you play D flat, okay, D flat, and then E flat, and then F. If you are thinking of transcribing, it's Z, To, and then Do. Okay, and then for the right we go to A flat, C sharp, C sharp or D flat, and then F. Okay, this is it. Yeah, so E flat, D flat, D flat, A flat, D flat, and then F. And then we move on to the E flat for the left, which is To, To. And then for the right, we go to Fa, we go to To, and then we go to Re, which is B flat, E flat, and then G. So this, and then this, F. But the F, it's F, F here, and then the right is C, F, G, A. C, F, G, A. And you understand the reason why I'm using F, G, A. Okay, I will explain later on. So it's this. Okay, let's keep trying. Go with me, the same rhythm. Yeah, again. Last one. Yeah, so Lord, unto me. Okay, yeah, so the other one that I played initially is the same thing, but I just added a few things to it. So instead of C to Do, Re, Mi, I played this. Do, Re, Mi to C. Okay, so that's the second part. So okay, let's go again. So we're going to go again and we'll try this one that we just did. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, if we played this, it makes it look, it sounds odd to me, maybe not to everyone, but if you add this, it gives it some solid ending. Okay, yeah, so great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. It's the same thing. Okay, so that's the first part. So we should learn to improvise some of these songs whenever it comes to the ending. Okay, we can't say the person is finishing it like, great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Too flat. Okay, so we learn these things so that we will be able to improve how we play some of these endings. Okay, so that's the first part that we did. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, yeah. This brings us to the next one. So if you want to end it the same way that the person is extending it and you want to go around, the last note before hitting that one, then you have to learn this one too. This second method, I prefer this one to the first one sometimes. Well, it depends on my mood anyways. So, great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, so this one is also there. I prefer this one, sometimes because I feel it's very, very subtle. It's very, very subtle. It doesn't take you off the song so much like how this one can actually make somebody lose their key. Some people get distracted and they might, distune while singing the last note. Okay, they might go off the key. So you have to assess the whole situation. Okay, but I prefer this one because it's the second one because it's normally helped in so many cases. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, so let's do this one. Let's do this. So, Lord, unto me, which is for the right is B flat, D, and then F. And then for the left it's B flat and F. For those who want to transcribe is Fa, La, and then Do. And then for the left is Fa and Do. So, and then we go to the next. The next is, for the right, it's, well, if you want to play 3 on the right, then it's Fa, Z, and then Do, okay, and which is B flat, D flat, and F. And then for the left is G and G, okay, which is Re, Re. So let's combine the two. Yeah, so let's try again. I always prefer you to have your keyboard with you so that it's very, very easy. We play along. Okay, so let's try for the last time. Lord, unto me. Okay, well, the last one is do do for the left, which is F F, and then the right one is, there's a little change here. You don't play F, you play A, you play C, and then A. Okay, which is me, so, and then me. Okay, Lord, unto me. Okay, it gives it a different vibe. Okay, so Lord, unto me. Let's add something. Okay, I prefer to add this. Lord, unto me. Okay, so this is very, very easy. You can always rewind if you didn't get it, but we are going to try the two. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Next time I'll take a deep breath. Okay, let's try the first one that we did. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Okay, so that's it. Great is thy faithfulness, Lord, unto me. Lord, unto me. Okay, yeah. So those are the two types of endings that I wanted us to discuss in this particular video. I hope you're able to get them all. You can always go back to the video for reference so that you can learn the way I played it. And even if you want to add more to make it better, you can just make it. Let me know in the comments which one you really enjoyed. And if you want to see the next one on what song we are going to do, please check out this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.